Jdeation, and today I wanted to show off one of our newest machines. This is a poly tube cutter. So we sell these kits. These are part of our Jdeation waterproof enclosure mounting kits. So we sell these kits and it has all the parts you need, and one of the parts is this tubing. But as you can see over here, it comes on these really long rolls, and so we need to cut it into a certain size. So we built this machine, and it's a very simple machine. It's made out of extruded aluminum. It's got a piston here and then basically a switch. It's got a switch in there that just sits in front of this plate. And hold your ears, if I push this, you can see that the machine engages and it cuts it off. Very simple machine. Basically what happens is the tube shoots through here. You can see it come through, and as soon as it touches that plate, it gets chopped off. That's basically all there is to it. And as you can see, the tube just slowly comes through, and as soon as it touches, it cuts off. Just a few of the things that I've done that it's got this piece that this can slide in and it allows you to change the depth or the length of the tubing. Other than that, it's just a very basic, simple machine. A few things that I would like to improve on this. This is a little bit loose, as you can see. There's a lot of movement in here, but the way that this attaches is not quite great, but something for me to work on. The other thing I've considered putting on this was essentially a wheel that would push the tubing in, so basically make it totally hands-free, but it's good enough for version 1.0. So anyways, that's the basic machine. Hopefully it inspires something that you're working on. And if you have any suggestions for some improvements I can make, just put them in the comments. And if you haven't, shameless plug here, if you're ever in the need for a waterproof enclosure for your electronics, go to Jdeation, use our designer software, and you can have one of these kits cut from this machine right here. All right, thank you.